Imagine trying to run a country where no one agrees on who should fix the roads, run hospitals, or protect the environment. That would be chaotic. In Canada, different levels of government share responsibility for important services and issues, like transportation, healthcare, and crime prevention. This teamwork helps keep the country running smoothly and ensures that people across Canada have access to the services they need. One of the biggest shared responsibilities is healthcare. The provincial and territorial governments manage hospitals, doctors, and medical services, while the federal government helps fund healthcare programs and makes national health policies. This means that while each province runs its own health system, the federal government makes sure funding is available so that all Canadians have access to care. Another shared responsibility is transportation. The federal government takes care of airports, railways, and major highways that connect different provinces, while provinces manage local highways and roads. Municipal governments handle public transit systems like buses, subways, and light rail. This means that different governments must work together to make sure Canadians can travel safely and efficiently. The environment is another area where governments share responsibility. The federal government makes national environmental laws and protects large areas of land, like national parks. Provincial governments create policies for managing resources, like forests and water. Municipal governments focus on local environmental issues, such as recycling programs and garbage collection. This teamwork helps protect Canada's natural resources for future generations. Crime prevention and policing are also shared responsibilities. The federal government manages the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, which provides policing in many provinces and rural areas. However, provinces and cities have their own police forces, like the Ontario Provincial Police or the Toronto Police Service, which focus on keeping local communities safe. Even though different levels of government have their own roles, they must work together to serve the people of Canada. If the federal government stopped funding healthcare, or if provinces ignored environmental policies, things would fall apart. The next time you visit a hospital, take a bus, or recycle your garbage, remember that governments at different levels are working together to make it all happen.